In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable for beginners. If you've ever wanted a simple yet powerful tool to manage your projects, organize tasks, or even coordinate a team, Airtable can be the perfect solution. Let's dive into how you can get started with it. First things first, you'll need to create an Airtable account. Head over to the Airtable sign-up page and set up your free account. If you're new to Airtable, registering is straightforward and only takes a moment. Once you've created your account, you'll find yourself in your workspace, ready to explore this versatile tool. Next, let's talk about creating a base. In Airtable, a base is essentially your main project or database. It's where all the magic happens. To create a base, simply click on the option to create a base. You can either start from scratch, which gives you full creative freedom, or use one of the many templates available, which can be a great starting point if you're unsure where to begin. When naming your base, think about what you'll be using it for. Maybe it's a task manager, a CRM, a content calendar, or even an inventory tracker. The choice is yours, and there's lots of flexibility to tailor it to your needs. Now that you have a base, it's time to add tables and fields. Tables in Airtable help you organize different categories of information. Think of them as spreadsheets within your database. You might have tables such as clients, projects, and tasks to keep related information together. Within these tables, you'll set up fields, which are akin to columns in a spreadsheet where data is stored. Airtable supports a variety of field types like single-line text, numbers, dates, checkboxes, file attachments, drop-downs for selections, and even contact fields such as email and phone number. This diversity in field types allows you to handle different kinds of data efficiently. Once your tables and fields are set, it's time to populate them with records. In Airtable, records are the rows of data. For instance, a task record might include fields like task, status, and due date. You can fill in these records by typing directly into the fields, pasting from other spreadsheets, or even importing data from CSV files. This flexibility makes it easy to bring in existing data and start organizing it right away. Finally, let's explore creating views to enhance how you display your data. Views in Airtable are a fantastic way to look at the same information in different formats. You have several options here. The grid view offers a traditional spreadsheet-style display, perfect for detailed data entry. Calendar view is ideal for visualizing dates and deadlines. If you prefer a more visual approach, the Kanban view gives you drag-and-drop workflow boards, reminiscent of project management tools like Trello. For a more graphic representation, the gallery view presents records as visual cards, great for photos or visually driven content. And for straightforward access, the list view provides a clean, mobile-friendly format. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Airtable. Whether managing tasks or coordinating projects, Airtable's flexibility and user-friendly design can help you stay organized and efficient. Remember, like any tool, the more you use it, the more intuitive it will become. Thanks for joining and happy organizing.